Hey guys,
We
we're
are
back
back.
again with another video, and this time it is Dollar
Dollar
MWA
MWA.
official music video. So let's get
go
going with the video.
Let's go, guys. We are excited. We are.
Oh, it's like a newspaper cutout
Yeah.
kind of thingy, which I really like because news.
Okay.
Oh, straight out a newspaper. Right? It has a very catchy tone.
Yeah.
Like,
I like it.
recent pop musics, like the very recent pop musics are having this kind of tone, which I like. Kind of, it gives you a bit of confidence boost
Yeah.
when you are just listening on a just listening with the headphone. What's with those handcuffs, like long ass handcuffs?
Is this wig? I think this is wig.
Yeah,
She's-
this is wig.
Yeah. It's
Anyhow,
not her real hair.
no,
I think
no,
so.
no. I do think
It's
so.
so red. You know.
Red can be your
Red
hair
can be
color.
your hair
You
color,
can
but
make this
you have to
your hair
dye.
color. No, if you have black hair like me, you need like 4 to 5 sittings with the hairstylist to get through the bleach
It
and
will mess
make
up your
yourself.
hair quality.
Yeah,
You know?
actually,
You don't have to do that stuff.
like those people
Really,
who
man.
are black,
Yeah.
like black haired, not fully black. There's hair color. I'm talking about hair color, bro.
Yeah.
So those people who have black hair color, like for those people going blonde and then putting on colors is really scary
Yeah.
because bleach can fry your hair off.
Yeah.
Bleach can actually fry
It's true.
your hair can melt down like this in your hand, and you'll be like, what is happening? And don't do it by yourself, never, because you don't know the volumes which to use on your hair, which will be great for your hair, which will be good for your hair. And in one sitting, never in your whole lifetime you will be able to achieve that without
Yeah.
melting your hair off. Never.
It's the truth.
But those people who are blonde, they can actually do a lot of stuff. But also their hair needs to be taken care of a lot more than black hairs, because black hairs has a lot of more nutrients and oils in them, so that it can protect the hair. And blonde hairs, they have a little bit of less. It's kind of like melanin in your hair body. Like, though the black people are very less tend to get skin cancer, rather white people are very tend to get skin cancer in the sun exposure. It's kind of like that, similar, very similar. That's all. They're making mugshot sexy.
Yeah.
That's a very those 90s thing. That's a very 90s thing to make mugshot sexy. It's very 90s. Like, it's been going on for so long. At this point, we all know about this, and also this is classic. This is classic. You are in a mugshot means you are a criminal. If you are a criminal, then you are cool. It's kind of the situation here. It is kind of the situation. Like, if I'm not.
It's right now. It's a Hollywood thing to do the mugshot. You know.
Yeah,
It looks cool.
It's
when you do
like if you are a
mugshot,
criminal, you are cool, something like that. So if you can just do DUI, like drink and drive, and for that you can get a mugshot. And you can do sexy poses, but I'm not
Don't-
sure if police.
Don't provide information about this stuff. Please.
If police will take your sexy mugshots, because that's
There is no sexy mugshot, guys.
That's
In
not-
reality, you get a trashy look when you get mugshot.
Yeah, that's true, because they will just beat you up. If not, then you will just be in the cell overnight, and then you will be taking mugshots. It's kind of very bad.
What happened?
I don't know what happened. You did something. Something happened. A lot of things happened. God knows what happened. But anyhow, as we were speaking, let him do his thing.
Oh my
There
God.
is a difference between long handcuffs and short handcuffs. The short handcuffs are used for hands, and the long handcuffs are used for your legs. Like, for
Okay.
criminals
Got
who
it.
are very, like, very, what do you say?
Top-notch criminal.
Not top notch, but
Who are really...
who are really bad criminals. Yeah,
criminals.
it's kind of like that. Who are really bad
There is
criminals.
no
and
meter, or there is
yeah,
no...
yeah. And they will like do prison escape things.
Yeah.
And for those criminals only, they will use like those chain things, like the long handcuffs, the longer handcuffs, like those are leg cuffs to be exact. Those ones, so that they cannot run properly.
Yeah.
They can walk normally, but they cannot run properly. They will fall So that's why they use that, and it's
Yeah.
like chained with your in your back with the smaller handcuffs, and there is a chain attached. Later it is attached in the
How did
leg
you know this stuff?
handcuffs. Yeah, because
I don't know.
I will tell you how I know. In recent days, I was seeing a lot of prison videos, like how the prison treats the inmates in the prison. So I saw this whole lake of things in the El Salvador prison, the one that is new for inmates, for gang members of different
Yeah.
different gangs. I won't take the names because I forgot, but yeah, the gang members who did a lot of extortion, smuggling, etc stuffs. So yeah, I was seeing those and I know that,
Yeah.
and it's a knowledge. So I never do any crimes that would make me end up in a prison. Yeah,
Let's play.
it's like a thing for yourself to not do bad stuffs in the
I have to guard it down.
even James Bond was not able to do those things,
Yeah.
like cut your handcuffs with bullets. He used just a hairpin from a girl somewhere. He used during a movie that I saw,
Now you
and that
can
is
see
like,
me.
no, now you see me.
Now you see me. Okay.
Now you see
Now
me.
you see me. Part 3 is happening, guys.
I don't know, but
It will
saw.
release in 2025, I think, in end of 2025.
I saw Now You See Me 1 and 2. I liked 1 better.
Yeah.
I thought that
Because he
the
got
sequel was
longer hair, in one first part.
not that, but as in the storyline, I thought that one was better. The sequel was
Yeah.
not working as much good as the one because it was
And it got
original.
so many twists and turns, guys. Because you were watching the first part. When you watch first part, you anticipated new things,
Yeah,
And
exactly.
in the second part, you thought that.
Actually, I saw
yeah.
the second part first and the first part second.
Okay. Second part was trash, actually.
Second names for these places, and one of them or two of them, and I never been to one, and I don't want to be in one because I don't like loud musics, I don't
Me
like a
too.
lot of people, and I don't like black spaces or dark spaces, to be exact, like not like light pumping into your eyes like this,
Yeah.
like flickering like that. I
It
don't
made-
like that. I just want peace. If I want to enjoy some drinks,
I think
I will
it-
just do it at home or in
Yeah.
a place where I can be at peace, at
Yeah.
ease. I will
That's it.
choose my own songs. I will choose my own volume
Yeah.
so that it is moderate and manageable. I like that. And also, coming back from the nightclub or pub is very scary because you are drunk.
Yeah.
You don't know who you are with sometimes. I saw a lot of stories these days, and I'm scared. I'm pretty scared to go to a nightclub and drink because it's scary. People are scary, to be honest. Where some creep will come from, you don't know. So I enjoy drinking in my home in peace with ease.
I
Yeah.
drink water.
No, I do drink, but yeah, you can
Just play.
say that it is moderate and very occasional.
Okay, Dola. What a nice.
It was a nice
Song.
song. And also, I want to say one thing. I do commentary videos, right? So I will speak a lot in these videos.
I know we speak a lot, but you guys don't.
You don't have to expect. You don't need to. I am telling you, don't expect that you are gonna see the whole video throughout the whole session and then we'll start watching our talking. You won't. And the fact is that we cannot even like play throughout the video the whole song first and then
Yeah.
talking second. We cannot do that. It's against YouTube policies. And also, what's the point of the commentary video then?
Yeah.
What's the point of the commentary videos then? We are doing commentary videos. We are gonna talk. If you like it or not, we are gonna talk. So do adjust. And I think I do tell a lot of good stories that you didn't know, or you might know and you think, oh yeah, she's right. So yeah, kind of enjoy our speaking
Yeah.
time. And if you
Enjoy.
want to talk about it, just do a comment section check. Go there. Tell us. We
Yeah.
will reply. Trust me. We do. We do. If we find a very nice comment that you write for us, we do comment. Yeah. And
Bye-bye.
also everyone gets a love react for from us in the comment section. So yeah, do like, do share, and also do subscribe. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, you can watch our other